Okay guys, so welcome back to my second video. So hopefully natapos nyo yung una. So short video lang yan guys. So that's a lecture part. So pardon me guys kung medyo pangit yung sulat ko. So I'll try my best to write legibly in the succeeding videos. Okay, so now we'll try to solve these examples na kita naman natin. So I solved at least 4 examples using the yung mga first 5 or mga basic formulas ng integration natin. So we'll start with example number 1. So the integral sign of integral of dx. So of course, if you're going to notice, so balikan natin yung unang natin. So yung formula natin, ayan. So of course, dito, so ano siya, anong integration formula gamitin natin? So hopefully, dito is makikita natin formula number 1 yung applicable, tama ba? So we'll apply formula number 1 dito sa example 1 natin. So of course, the integral of dx is, so kita naman natin, so dx is equals to, tanggalin mo lang yung d, so magiging x, then add the constant of integration. So x plus c. Clear guys? So yun. Same here dito. Diba? So we're going to notice. So the integral of du, so tinanggal lang natin yung d. So naging, of course, yung function mo is u plus c. Kasi yung x dito guys, that's your function. Okay, so function of x kasi yan. So, yeah, so integral of dx, so derivative niya, the integral is x plus c. So lagi may c. Okay, so huwag kakalimutan yan guys. Okay? Next, example number 2. So guys, pag medyo nalabuhan kayo sa video, so pwede nyo namang ulit-ulitin yan. Kasi kung medyo malabo, so just repeat the video guys, okay? So yun yung maganda dito eh. So you can always repeat the video. Let's say if mabilis, so pwede mong ibalik, okay? Next, so example number 2. So ang function natin ngayon is the integral of, so close parenthesis, 5x raised to the 4 plus 3x squared plus 6, close parenthesis, d of x or dx. So if you're going to notice, so ano yung ating gagamiting formula dito ngayon? So of course guys, ito ay combination na to actually. So combination na to ng formula 2, 3, tsaka 4. Okay, so magagamit natin yung apat na yan dito. Ay, tatlo, sorry. Those 3 formulas, basic integration formulas. So, ano ba yung formula number 2? So, balikan natin. Diba? So, formula number 2. Ito siya, diba? So, you need to what? Distribute. Diba? So, distributive property. By the way, ito pala guys. So, pwede rin yung negative. Okay, so I forgot to include kanina. Sorry. Ayan. So, pwede rin yung negative. So, baka sabihin nyo, kasi paano yung negative to, sir? Say, naging 3x squared minus 6. So, pwede rin yan naman. Negative. Okay. So, applicable yan. So, addition and subtraction naman yan. Okay? So, then, sabi ko nga, after applying formula 2, we distribute the integral sign. So, 3, since may constant yan, di ba? So, we have 5, 3, tsaka 6. So, apply natin yung 3. And of course, since you have exponents, so meron kang exponent sa exponent, so gagamit tayo ng 4, which is, ano ba yung 4 natin? That's your power formula. Okay. Okay, so let's try muna yung number 2. So distribute natin. So magiging, so if we distribute the integral sign, so it becomes the integral of 5x to the 4th, then pati yung dx of course. Ayan, dx plus integral of 3x squared dx plus integral of 6 dx. So wala pang plus c yan guys. Sabi ko, yung plus c, i-add nyo lang yan pag tapos na kayo mag-integral o mag-perform ng antiderivative. So dito, wala pa. Okay. So next, we apply number 3. Why? Kasi kita nyo may constant which is 5, 3, tsaka 6. So mas madaling mag-integrate pag nakalabas yung, or if you pull out the constant. So magiging 5 integral of x to the 4 dx plus, so constant 3. So pull out nyo yan sa integral sign. So 3x squared dx plus 6. So pull out nyo rin yan. Constant dx. So clear now? So yun. So pinull out natin yung mga constant. The next, we apply number 4. So if you're going to replay or etras nyo ng konti yung video. So yung number 4 natin is yung power formula. Tama. So you have an exponent dun sa x natin. So pwede natin gawin. Since sabi ko nga, wala ka namang exponent na negative 1. Diba? So sabi ko yun lang naman yung restriction natin if you're gonna use power formula. Okay, so apply natin formula number 4. So 5, then this time, so since magpe-perform ka na ating derivative, so pwede ka na maglagay ng bracket. So bracket na siya. X, so 4, so diba sabi ko pag power formula ng integral, plus 1. Tama? So kung ano yung dinagdag mo sa taas, i-divide mo ngayon sa baba. So 4 plus 1 din. Okay? Plus 3, bracket, x squared plus 1 over, dinagdag mo, pag i-divide mo ngayon sa baba. 2 plus 1. Okay? Plus 6. And guys, what is the integral of dx? So ito yung unang example natin. So if you're going to check. So integral of dx, so x. Okay? Then, sorry guys. So may wala kasi dito. Ayan. So now is we're going to add now. So 5 x to the 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 3. Then 2 plus 1 x cubed. Then 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 6x. So pwede ka na magdagdag ng plus c or constant of integration. So if you're going to notice, di ba may magka-cancel? So cancel out yung 5, cancel out yung number 3. So, magiging ano na ngayon, guys? So, it becomes, what? X to the 5 plus x cubed plus 6x plus c. So, this will become your final answer. So, balik tayo. So, kita nyo. So, after performing number 4 or formula number 4, so, dito ngayon, so, nag-cancel out yung mga yung 5, din yung 3, cancel out 6x plus c. So, yun. Then, the final answer becomes, ito na. So, x to the 5 plus x cubed plus 6x plus c. So, to double check, differentiate nyo lang, di ba? So, subtract ka ulit, di ba? So, bring down 5. So, minus 1. 5x to the 4 plus 3x squared plus 6. So on and so forth. Clear? Eh sir, if you're going to ask, para saan ba yung C? Yung constant of integration. Of course, yung C na yan guys, maalaman niya pagpunta niya ng DE, differential equation. So, dyan yung hahanapin naman niya. Yun yung concept naman dun sa differential equation. The constant of integration. But for now, so, plus C, hayaan nyo na lang muna. So, just let it be. Okay? So, plus C. Okay guys, so, clear tayo dun. Okay. So, let's try another example. So, this time, ayan. So, we have now a function that is naka-raise ngayon yung buong function to a certain exponent. Diba? So, that function natin ngayon is integral of 3x plus 4 squared dx. So, paano naman ngayon yan? So, of course, ito pala guys. So, take note ha. So, take note of this example. Kasi, if we go to our next topic, so babalikan natin to. Okay, so take note. So solve natin siya ng another method. Kasi there are, I think, 3 methods to solve this one. Okay. Or 2. Sorry, or 2 methods. But for now, for discussion purposes, so gamit tayo ng basic formula muna. Okay, so what's our first step here, guys? So, we expand. Diba? So, expansion tayo. So, binomial expansion. So, sabi ko nga, huwag nyo kakalimutan yan, guys. So, all of your past learnings is useful. Pupunta ng integration or integral. Okay, so, apply muna tayo ng expansion. Okay, so, becomes integral of, so, expand nyo. So, of course, 3 squared, that is 9x squared. Diba? Plus twice the product of 4 times 3, which is 4 times 3 is 12 times 2 is 24x plus 16. Tama? So, dx na siya. Okay? So, to you guys, if you still have problems with this one, so balikan nyo lang yung sa algebra. So, binomial expansion. Okay? So, in-expand natin siya. So, if you're going to notice, so, pansin nyo, similar na siya dun sa example number 2. Tama ba? So, what we're gonna do next is we just have to distribute, diba? Since, ano na siya, formula number 2 na siya. So, by distributing the integral sign ng dx, so magiging integral of 9x squared dx plus 24x dx plus 16, integral of 16 dx. So, clear? So, dinistribute natin yung integral sign and the dx. So, next, since may constant tayo, diba? So, 9, 24, and 16. So, constant yan. Ilalabas natin yan. We pull this out on the integral sign. So, magiging 9 integral of x squared dx plus 24 integral of x dx plus 16 integral of dx na. Okay? So, clear? So, pinull out natin yung mga constant. So, apply na natin ngayon yung, after pulling out the constant, we're gonna apply power formula. Since may exponent tayo. Or nakalagay sa exponent yung x natin. So, it becomes 9. So, bracket na yan. So, x squared. So, plus 1. Then, kung ano inad mo dito, i-divide mo yun sa baba. Ayan. Plus 24. Yan. So, magiging x 1, di ba? So, may exponent 1 yan. Plus 1 ulit. 1 plus 1. So, 1 plus 1 din. So, divide sa baba. Plus 16. So, of course, integral ng dx. So, parang is x, di ba? Then, next, so, 9. So, 2 plus 1. So, x cube over 3. Plus 24. So, 1 plus 1. So, 2 over 2 plus 16. Multiply nyo lang. So, x plus c. So, yun nga yung constant of integration natin. Clear? Okay. So, now, magka-cancel, di ba? So, 9 divided by 3. So, 3 na lang. Multiply by x cube. So, 3x cube plus so, 24 divided by 2. So, 12 na lang yan. So, times x squared. X squared na siya. Plus 16x plus c. And, first guys, this is your final answer. So, to double check or to check, so, i-differentiate nyo lang, diba? So, bring down nyo lang to, diba? So, diba? Bring down exponent, 3 times 3. That's 9, diba? 3, 6, 9. 9. Then minus 1. And so on and so forth. So, to check or to double check your answer. So, clear? So, sabi ko nga, if you have difficulty, so, ano nyo lang, i-backtrack nyo lang yung video. Okay? Next. So, last example natin for this tutorial. So, now, ayan. So, of course, hindi laging yung function mo nandun sa taas. O minsan nasa baba yung x natin, yung ating variable. So, paano yan? So, same lang. So, di ba sabi ko, similar din naman yan. Para ding u plus v lang yan, di ba? So, you just have to distribute. First step natin, distribute mo yung integral sign and dx. So, magiging distribute. So, integral of 4 dx over x cube. So, laki natin ito. Integral sign. Plus, integral of 2 dx over x. So, ano siya? So, we distribute the integral sign and the dx. So, what's next? Pull out natin yung constant. May constant ka na 4 and 2. So, pull out na. Labas natin. 4 integral of dx over x cube plus 2 integral of dx over x. Okay? So, yun na siya ngayon. So, we're gonna do, meron pa tayong direct formula for this one. Dx over x cube. So, dun sa basic integration. Di ba wala? So, paano natin ma-apply yung power formula ngayon dito? So, simple lang. Inverse mo siya. Diba? So, pwede mong itaas yan. So, magiging 4. Sorry. Yeah, yan na. So, x negative 3. Diba? So, integral mo na. Integral sign mo na. Diba? Dx na ngayon. Tama? So, 4 integral of x negative 3 dx plus 2 integral of dx over x. So, yun na. So, pwede mo nang i-apply ngayon yung power formula by first getting the inverse. So, ito, lagyan natin sa numerator. So, now, so 4, so apply integration. So, x negative 3 plus 1 over negative 3 plus 1 plus 2 integral of dx over x. Eh, sir, meron ba tayong direct formula for this part ng function natin? So, kung babalikan natin yung formula natin, ano yung kamukha nito, guys? Itong part na to. Diba ito? Number 5. Diba? Integral of du over u. First, ano ba yung du, guys? So ito, i-expound pa natin to on our next video or next lecture natin. So, pag-uusapan natin itong number 5 more. Okay? Kasi need natin ng separate topic for this one or discussion. But for now, so, since sabi ko nga, similar naman to, diba? So, this is similar to du over u. So, we can safely say na ang integral ng dx over x is, of course, ln of x. Kasi yun yung u mo sa baba, diba? Ayun. So, for now. So, we'll expand it more when we go along. Okay, so, applying now. So, negative 3. So, 4. So, negative 3 plus 1. X to the negative 2 over negative 3 plus 1. Negative 2. Clear tayo doon na. Plus 2. Ano yung integral natin? Integral of dx over x is ln of x plus c. Okay? Ayan. So, since magka-cancel out, so 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2x, ang negative 2, plus 2 ln of, or ln of x plus c. Actually, so this will be your final answer. Pwede na yan. Or if you want, kung gusto maging positive yung exponent, since negative 10, so ibaba mo siya. Or, you can take the inverse. So, negative 2 over x squared plus 2 ln of x plus c. Okay, so yun na siya. Okay, so that's how you're going to apply the basic integration formulas. So our next video, pag-uusapan naman natin, or we'll focus more on dito sa part na to. Ito, pag-usapan natin tong integral of du over u, and our next video, our next topic, which is substitution. Okay, so sabi ko nga, if we're going to remember yung special case na sabi ko yung formula na to. Ito. So, example number 3 natin kanina. Ayan. So, solve natin to using a different method. Okay, so substitution method yun. So, we'll talk about this more on my next video. Okay, so bye for now, guys. Thank you.